Captain's Log Supplemental. Since leaving Tars Lamora, we've had many adventures. The dangers we've faced have made us grow. Our mission now? To rack up good deeds, to find and help alien civilizations in the hope Starfleet will turn a blind eye to us borrowing... stealing one of their ships when we return the protostar to them. Our sensors have picked up strange readings from a star in a nearby system. Sounds to me like a good place to start.
That was too close.
I had it under control.
Sure, Dal. If by under control you mean got lucky.
Speaking of luck, we need more than a spoonful to find our crew before this sun-star supernovas.
We're not gonna find them standing around here. Ready?
Let's go. Captain Dal, ready for action.
Not even Tholians have minerals like these. We can collect them. They might be useful. Let's wait for the phaser to cool off. The protostar. It's still in one piece.
For now, we need a way to get down there. Captain Dal, ready for action.